welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I've done a video. Welcome to my Snapchat haircut. That's what I'm calling it. Because if you follow me on Facebook, that's facebook.com, Tammy.Embrich. You know that I dabble in Snapchat a lot and use those lenses and take various pictures of myself. Some kind of silly, some pretty. But anyway, the picture that I'll post it on the screen here. The picture that I took that everybody liked, I did too. And I took a big step. You know, my hair was getting really long. So, yes, I cut it and it goes down in the front. It's like a classic, I don't know what they call it, but a classic bob. There's a lot of gray. I'm going to say white because my hair is not really gray. It's white. So, I am going to go to Fantastic Sam's next week and get it done one more time, and then yes, I am going to let it go gray. Like I said, my hair, my natural hair is not gray. It's more of a white. Now you can see it up here and right there. So yeah, I've thought about it a couple of days and I thought, let's just do it. I mean, I talked about it a few months back. I want to say 5 or 6 months ago, I was talking about going gray. But this time I am going to do it. Maybe Fantastic Sam's can give me some tips. They've done so far, they've given me some tips. I kept telling them I wanted to go gray each time I went in there and got my hair done. And they just said, just let it go. Cut it kind of short, which I've done, and just let it go. So, and it's a pretty white, grayish silver white. So I think I will like it. So yeah, it's been a while since it's been going on a month, 4 weeks now since I've done my last video when I announced my giveaway winners. I finally got those Amazon gift cards in the mail. So, and today I am going to be using a Cher perfume, Cher 90s Couture Perfume for the first time. The only thing I did was take a whiff, and I can smell it just a little bit, but I'm really looking forward to trying it. I love Cher. A lot of my friends know that. I grew up watching Cher, and I was, I don't know, 9, 10, or 11 when they first did their first comedy hour show, and I remember really well. Back then, you know, we had the big box TVs, and I sat Indian style on the floor, and I watched it. I was mesmerized by Cher. I still love her. She's done amazing, hasn't she? She's 70 something. She's in her 70s. And she's still doing great. I don't know if she's still touring, but anyway, yeah, I love Cher. But I did watch those Sonny and Cher shows, and I've seen her 3 times. My first time I seen her, my dad took me to Forest Park in St. Louis, and it was Sonny and Cher together. I seen them up close. I never will forget that. Yeah, I seen them in Forest Park. And then I seen Cher just by herself twice. So, but anyway, let's get to opening this. By the way, when I got this, and I got it at Walmart, it was $22, $24. Might even be, it might have, I'll post the price on the screen. But it might have been a little more than that. But anyway, she had 3 different pictures. And it's pictures through the 90s. That's why it's called Cher 90s Couture. I don't know if you can see that. But she's amazing. She's beautiful. I think she's beautiful. A lot of people doesn't think she's beautiful, but I do. But anyway, wow. Here is the container. Can you see the Cher there? Okay, I'm going to open it up and give it a good whiff. Let's spray it on. Oh, yeah, that smells good. It's kind of bold, but it smells really good. And I spray a lot of perfume. When I spray perfume on, I really lay it on. But, I love it. I'm not a good describer of perfume. And I tell you what, I will look up the description of her perfume, the notes possibly, and I will post it on the screen and in the description box below. But I love it. It's a little different than I wear, but it smells sophisticated. So, but anyway, I really, really like it. Okay, I've got notes here. Just wanted to talk about a few things. Like I said, I haven't been on here for about close to a month. And, oh, I wanted to mention something real quick before I get on the subject of my sister and her knee replacement. I haven't been happy with myself because I wasn't very consistent with my skincare. That's pretty bad. And I can tell. I mean, I really don't have a lot of makeup today. I did it real quick. I didn't even do my brows. But anyway, yes, I have not been consistent with my skincare. In fact, I am going to, starting January 1st, I'm going to do my skincare, you know, before that, but I mean, until the end of the year, I'm going to start a, what's called a 30-day skincare challenge. And I will be doing my skincare every morning and every night. I have got to get back to it. I mean, I can tell a difference, especially not using my, what do you call it, retin-A. Yes, I use that every night, or I did. I haven't used it in a while. Slap my hand. That's bad. But anyway, get a drink of my tea here. I did do, I decorated for Christmas, and it is what it is. I might redo my, my shelf there. I posted the picture on Facebook. By the way, I wanted to invite you ladies to my Facebook beauty page. It is facebook.com/makeup products online. So I have close to 500 likes, and I just wanted to invite all you guys to my beauty page. I will leave the link on the screen and in the description box below. Another thing, I am going to be taking my usual holiday break. I usually start it around the 15th or the 16th, and then come back around the 4th or the 5th or the 6th of January. Yeah, it's a long break. but it's a tradition with me. I always do that. Either I clean, I do fun things around the house. I need to clean my room again here. It's a mess. It's a total mess. But I wanted to clean my bedroom before I do this room. So my bedroom hasn't been real cleaned in a while. So I'm going to be doing that, and also going through all my drawers and my closet again. I do that. I try to do that every 2 years or so. So I'm going to be doing that. Okay, get back to, I go through depression and anxiety, okay? A lot of you know that. And if you suffer from depression and anxiety, my suggestion is take care of somebody else. Do something for somebody else, whether it be a loved one, a friend, a parent, a grandparent, a dear sister. Yes, I took care of my sister through her recovery. She's still recovering, but she's doing really well. She has started walking with the cane. She don't walk with the cane all the time. And she has started taking little walks out to her garage and back. Now, when she goes to the garage, she has nothing to hold on to. So her physical therapist said to use her walker. So she has to. I mean, she could fall really easy, and Lord forbid, whatever she, that would be bad news. But anyway, yes, if you're depressed, suffer from anxiety, or both, which I suffer from both, this was a really big awakening for me. Taking care of my sister, doing something for somebody else, concentrating on somebody else instead of myself. That was a big thing. Yeah, I'm in a good frame of mind right now. I have been in a good mood since I've been home, and I've been decorating and everything, and I've just been in a good mood. It's done wonders for my heart. It really has. And depression, my anxiety and everything. So if you suffer from depression, and you probably heard it before, if you've suffered from depression, anxiety, or both, concentrate on somebody else and don't concentrate on yourself. Say, woe is me. I mean, I've done it. I do it all the time, actually. But yeah, taking care of somebody else, concentrate on somebody else's needs, and getting them through whatever they, have to go through. My sister had a total knee replacement. It was really rough. Like, it's rough on everybody. Some people have a big tolerance to pain. Some people don't. My sister has a big tolerance to pain. I mean, she can take a lot of pain. She took a lot of pain before the surgery because, I don't remember what she had in her knee, but she does have arthritis, osteoarthritis, and I can't remember what she specifically had in her knee, and it was rupturing. If I think of it, I'll put it on the screen. But anyway, her kneecap was crushed. Her kneecap was not on top. It was on the side. And believe me, she was going through a lot of pain. She does not like to take pain pills, but she did. And she's been taking pain pills, of course, after the knee surgery. And she is starting to go longer and longer without taking the medicine. So yeah, she definitely does not overdo any kind of medicine at all. She's just not that way. I'm thankful that I got myself off of Xanax. I was really hooked on Xanax. it was bad, and I had some trouble with drinking, and I just quit that, both kind of at the same time. But my doctor put me on a strong medicine for depression. So I take trazodone for sleep. But anyway, I didn't mean to start talking about me. But anyway, yeah, taking care of my sister did my heart really good. And I'm going to remember that. I mean, and plus, going and seeing my kitties and loving on them and trying my best to calm them down. A lot of them, most of them are afraid. And a lot of them has just come in from the outdoors. And so this is an actual animal shelter that I go to and volunteer and talk to the kitties and pet them and love on them and everything. There is an adult cat. He's either 2 or 3. His name is Jax, okay? And he is in a big room by himself because he wasn't doing good at all with people or other cats. So I don't know why I said she. They have a big chair that you go in there. You don't go at them. You just sit in the chair and you start talking really, really calm and low. And I got them to come to me, and I'll post a picture on the screen. And I was able to pet him while he was eating his food. Now that, he was really scared too. So yeah, he's an exotic cat, and he's 2 or 3 years old, and he looks like a dark tabby. So anyway, but yeah, concentrate through the holiday season. Concentrate on other people. Do something, be kind, do something for others through the holiday season. It will make you feel really good. So anyway, I think that is all I wanted to discuss today. There are a lot of good ideas for future videos. I'm hoping to get at least 1 more, maybe 2, before I take my holiday break. So are any of you taking a holiday break? Do you guys do that? I know a lot of people that work online, do YouTubes. They do it till the bitter end, until December 31st. I know a lot of people do that, but I like to take a big break. So anyway, guys, it was nice talking with you. And if you enjoyed my video, give me some thumbs up. And if you enjoy my channel and you haven't done so yet, subscribe. And always hit that little bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And if I don't get on here again until after my break, Merry Christmas to all of you. Again, think of others, be kind. Please be kind. So a lot of people don't. There's quite a few people that just, I don't know how to put it, they're just not kind and considerate of others. So anyway, that's all I wanted to say. Merry Christmas. I love you all. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.